Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, I am going to explain about the nested conditions with a small example bank loan application. So please walk through with me. Let me show you the code. So what is nested if? Nested if is nothing but if inside one more if. So please wait. So here is the environment bank loan application. So we are going to collect some details from the customer. First is age. Age is equal to age always int value. So int of input of enter your age. If condition I am writing, if age greater than or equal to 18, I am giving the permission print of your age is okay, continue. Now you can see after age I am collecting the salary details where I am writing the salary information inside of the if. So salary is equal to, you can take like a float of input of enter your salary, enter your monthly salary amount, monthly salary amount. Condition I am going to write, if salary greater than or equal to 40,000, print of salary satisfied continue. Next, so here also I am not taking the decision. So next I am going to collect the information CIBIL score. So CIBIL score is equal to float of int of input of enter your CIBIL score. Condition, if CIBIL score greater than or equal to 720, print of you are eligible for loan, submit all the documents. So this is the way. In case maybe the salary is not enough, in that scenario I am going to write like a else print of salary requirement is not satisfied So why I am writing again the code here, you can see who are applying the loan, that person's salary is not equal to 40,000 or it is not above 40,000. Instead of taking the decision here itself, we are going to give one more of choice. Like we are going to collect some more details from the customer. So salary requirement is not satisfied. Co-applicant details. We are going to ask like a co-applicant. Here co-applicant is equal to input of would you like to add co-applicant. If he say yes, then we are going to collect the details. So, would you like to add co-applicant? If co-applicant equal to yes, maybe he is going to provide the information either in the uppercase letters or it is in the lower case. That's why I am going to convert this as a lower form. So, would you like to add co-applicant? If he say yes, we are going to ask the details. So, co-applicant salary. Co-applicant salary is equal to int of, maybe you can take like a float value. So, float of input of enter the co-applicant salary. Applicant salary. So he is going to provide the co-applicant salary details. Now I am writing like the final salary is equal to what his salary. So salary plus co-applicant salary. Add them together. After adding the salary and the co-applicant salary, if final salary is greater than or equal to 60,000, print of your salary requirement satisfied. Continue. So at this moment also we are not taking the decision. We are going to collect the CIBIL score information. So CIBIL score is equal to int of input of enter your CIBIL score. Enter your CIBIL score. If CIBIL score equal to, if CIBIL score is greater than or equal to 720, print of you are eligible for loan. Submit all documents. Submit all the documents. So you can see it here. So now if in case he don't have the enough CIBIL score, I'm going to write like a else block, print of sorry you are not eligible for loan due to less CIBIL score. Okay. Next you can write like a, this is for, let me zoom out. Let's see. Yeah, maybe I will show you in a moment. So we are going to write like a, maybe after adding the salary and the co-applicant salary, if both it is not above or equal to 60,000, in that scenario we need to give the some message to the end user. For that I am writing like a else block here, else, you can say it here, else print of sorry your salary is not enough. So this is for salary if block. Next age, we are going to write like a, if anyone co-applicant said no, here you can see what I am writing. In a moment I will explain the code clearly. So here if he say that he would like to add the applicant, if he say yes, then it is going to execute this block of code. For example, if he say no, in that scenario else block, print of sorry you are not your loan not going to be further process. Sorry, your loan not going to be further process. So this is regarding for the co-applicant. And what about age? Maybe if anyone try to fill this form below 18 years, we need to write like a sorry you are not eligible due to age, or maybe you can write like a under 18, sorry you are not eligible due to age. So here let me explain the code here. First we are collecting the information from the end user. He is going to enter the age details and the condition will check here. If it is true condition, then it is going to give this print statement get executed. Then we collect the salary details from the end user. So if the salary is greater than 40,000 or equal to 40,000, then he is going to salary satisfied print statement get executed and we collect the CIBIL score information. Finally he is going to receive like a, you are eligible for loan, or submit all the documents for further verifications, further loan process. In case if his salary is not enough, he is less than 40,000, then we are going to ask, do you want to enter would you like to add the co-applicant? If he say yes, then we are going to collect the co-applicant salary details. After collecting the co-applicant salary details, we are going to add that amount to the person salary. If both together, if it is above 60,000, then your salary requirement satisfied, continue. And after, at that moment also, we are not taking the final decision. We are going to collect the CIBIL score. If it is above 720, then we are going to say you have the eligibility for the loan, but further continuation process, submit all the documents. So let me execute the code here. First we are going to collect the information of the age. Maybe he is 25 years. So your age is okay, continue. Enter your monthly salary amount, but he is only getting 30,000. Now you can say, would you like to add co-applicant? If he say yes, co-applicant, let me show you here. Yeah, let me execute. So first he is going to enter the age, maybe 25 years. Monthly salary is 30,000. Would you like to add the co-applicant? Yes. Some error is coming here. Co-applicant equal to yes. Okay. This is the mistake because you can see it here. I haven't. So age 25, monthly salary is 30,000. Would you like to add to co-applicant? Yes. Enter the co-applicant salary. Maybe co-applicant salary is 20,000. Now you can see. Sorry, your salary is not enough. Why that else statement get executed? Because you can see, add these two amounts, 30,000 plus 20,000, it's only 50,000. But what the condition I written here? 60,000. That's why it's a false condition. So sorry, salary, your salary is not enough. Let me show you one more scenario. If anyone is try to fill the form 17 years, directly this else block statement get executed. Sorry, you are not eligible due to age, because what condition I mentioned here? If it is above 18, then only you can give the permission to go further. So take one more scenario. Maybe age is 28 years and his monthly salary is 45,000, and enter your CIBIL score. His CIBIL score is 750. Now you can see directly the process, the flow of execution is until here only. So salary is 45,000. That means this condition is true. Salary satisfied, continue. Directly it is going to ask the CIBIL score. CIBIL score is above 720. So that's why you are eligible for loan. Submit all the documents. That's the print statement here. And this block of code, when it get executed, if the scenario, if the person age is 28 and monthly salary is 30,000, in that scenario we are going to take the applicant details. If he say yes, enter the co-applicant salary 40,000. Now you can see 40,000 plus 30,000, it is 80,000. That means condition satisfied. Now it is asking the CIBIL score. Maybe if the CIBIL score is not good enough, it is 680, then you can see, sorry, you are not eligible for loan due to less CIBIL score. So this is the way you can use the nested conditions. If one condition is true, then only it will enter into the next condition. So if inside one more if. So thank you. See you in next video. Next video I am going to show you one more example. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you. See you all.